How to make font size medium on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make font size medium on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here you will find these 3 points in the top. Click on it and click settings, and here you will find the chats, and now just here you will find font size, and then click medium. Now just go back, it will be saved, and that's it. It's easy, of course, and that's how to change it to medium. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.